Design ideas. You can now create professional slide layouts with Designer. This feature enhances Microsoft 365 subscribers' slides by automatically generating design ideas from which to choose. Designer works in the background while you add content to a slide to match it to professionally designed layouts. When you create a blank presentation and type words on a slide, the Designer feature suggests suitable photos with a design scheme and colors. All the design ideas complement the image you select. All the slides in your presentation will visually fit together. For items, when your presentation contains more text and fewer visual elements, you can use the Designer pane. It converts text such as lists, timelines, processes, and other objects into an easily readable graphic. Designer also creates illustrations with the help of your key terms or concepts from the illustrations library. Open Microsoft PowerPoint document in version 365. Now, ask PowerPoint to design ideas for you anytime by using the Designer feature. Go to the Design tab, Designer. If you are using this feature for the first time, it may request your permission to prepare design ideas for you. Turn the Designer feature on. After you turn it on, PowerPoint starts displaying design ideas when you are creating your slides. Scroll down to see all of its suggestions in the pane on the right-hand side of the window. Click on a design idea that you think is suitable for the slide. The slide layout changes as per the design idea you select. Now, all the slides visually go together. After you select a design idea, the Designer pane displays new ideas. If you think the applied design idea is not suitable, you can select another idea from the pane or simply choose to go back to your first slide design. To undo your action, press Ctrl+Z. Over time, MS PowerPoint will start displaying design ideas at the appropriate time. It learns from your experience.